Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can earn snowflakes and how you can kind of like spend it in Brookhaven. So go to the Brookhaven Winter Festival. You are able to earn snowflakes by sledding, ice skating, and climbing the tree obby. If you want to go ice skating, there's two spots to do it. There's one in the Frosty Manor. I don't know how to pronounce that word. And you can ice skate here. You'll get snowflakes, as you can see, by just ice skating. And then there is another spot outside. Oh, that is not outside. Okay, this is outside. So there's another ice skating spot outside, as you can see here. And it is very close to the sledding hill. This is where we're going to go next. So to earn snowflakes, you can go by sledding. You can just go up this hill, grab a sled, and you're just going to, what's this? Oh my gosh. Oh, I guess you can use that too, but you can earn snowflakes by sledding that way. Oh my gosh, that was messy. And then the last one is the Christmas tree obby, which you can find here next to this train. So I'm just going to go down, and then you're just going to climb up this tree, and then you're going to climb it up again, and there will be like this obby. Ugh, I'm really bad at obbies, sorry. And you'll see there's a snowflake on top later. So just climb up this obby. Oh. Oh my gosh, I swear I could do this when the cameras weren't rolling. Sorry, let me try this again. Okay, there we go. Oh my gosh, I almost fell. And as you can see, there's a snowflake here. You can go down by pressing this. I already have one though. And you're just going to go down. And then to spend it, you're just going to go to the front here. There are VIP rewards that you can claim. And there is this one where you can like claim using this. So this is a prop. This is a prop. This is also a prop. And this is like the actual house. If you want it, you'll need 10,000 though. And yeah, that's pretty much it really. Let's just do this one. So it is a prop, and it's going to go in like your prop area here. Wait, where is it actually? I do not know. Well, it's in one of these, I assume. But yeah, that's pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Oh, here it is. Here's where the prop is, by the way. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.